Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable DNS filtering for smart home security with NextDNS step by step clearly. To get started, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the NextDNS website. If you do not have an account, click on the option to sign up. Fill in the necessary information to create your account. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to your dashboard. Click on the option to create a new configuration. You will see multiple settings you can adjust. Focus on the DNS filtering options for smart home security. Enable the option labeled DNS filtering. You can choose various security features to add. Select the categories relevant to your smart home devices. Consider enabling options for malware protection and phishing prevention. Save the configuration after making your choices. Next, you will need to update your router settings. Access your router's admin panel through your browser. Log in with your router's administrative credentials. Look for the DNS settings section in the router panel. Replace the existing DNS addresses with the ones Save the changes to update your router's DNS settings. Now, restart your router to apply these changes. After your router is back online, test the settings. Use a device connected to your network to visit any site. Confirm that blocking features are working as expected. If everything is functioning properly, your smart home devices are now protected. You have successfully enabled DNS filtering for smart home security with NextDNS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.